What's going on, stackers? So our 2-week Black Friday sale has officially started. So, welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy, and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said, our 2-week Black Friday sale has officially started. So if this is something that you have been interested in, then stick around and watch the end of the video because I'm going to give you the complete rundown. Now, let's go over to here. We can see our 2-week Black Friday sale has officially started. It starts today and it ends on Tuesday, the 30th of November at 9 PM GMT. So you have 2 weeks to grab up this insane offer. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to contact us at support@StackinProfit.com and I will reply to any questions that you may have. Now, our Black Friday sale is for the LCB Vault and also Printing Profits. Now, if you want to have an understanding of these two courses and the difference between them, I'll link a video right there in the right hand corner so you can go through and watch, just so I don't have to make this video mega long. Now, any links that you find online will go to this page. Well, any of our links on YouTube, in our Facebook groups or anywhere else will be directed to this page. Now, you can click on one of these to go through. So what I've gone ahead and done is just gone through to here, the LCB Vault, just so we can see what's actually inside the course. So right now we have 4 courses in one. This is actually soon to be 5. If we go back here, this is a new course that we are currently releasing called Low Content Case Study. And like I said, this is a brand new course being released within the LCB Vault. So this you're only going to be able to get if you're part of the LCB Vault, because we won't be selling this separate. Now, if we go back to here, we can see we got quite a few good ratings, 256, the majority of them 5-star as well. But what's actually inside of the LCB Vault? Well, like I said, it's 4 courses in one, soon to be 5. Now, if we go here and scroll down to roundabout here, we can have a quick overview of all the modules within the course. So within the LCB Vault, just the Vault videos alone, we have around about 100, and then we have those other courses. So right now, I'm not going to go through and read all of these training modules. You can actually read them as we just go through. I'll go through a little bit slow, just so you can see. Use this tool to stay more productive. This tool is absolutely awesome and I use it every day in my business. But let's keep scrolling through. We can see creating composition notebooks, my pen name strategy, how to create colouring books, diving deeper, fattening your niche, research and creating guest books. We can see we have a lot of content, lots of helpful content to help you in your business. If we look here, more colouring book stuff, dot to dot, word searches, Sudoku, Father's Day, Q4, keyword research, we can see a lot of helpful content. If we scroll all the way down, we can see that yes, it's just over 100 videos. We now have 101, mainly around about 100 because this was a recap video of all the training videos that we have, and then this one was about our new course. Then after that, we can see this is where we have Q4 Profits, all the training modules for that within the LCB Vault. Then we have Kids LCB as well, as we can see just here. Then we have SCB, that's simple colouring books. So if you want to know how I personally create my colouring books, then come through, join and watch this course, because you'll get the exact rundown on everything that I now know. Then right at the end of that, it's our brand new course where we have a few modules already, and that is Low Content Case Study. So to recap, you're going to be getting 5 courses in one, just for £29.99. Now, £29.99 converted into dollars, that's around $40. So around $40 for 5 courses in one, which is absolutely insane. And again, this offer is going to end on Tuesday the 30th of November at 9 PM GMT. So if you've been waiting for us to have a sale or discounts on any of our courses, the time is now. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.